What's your most favorite CNY snack?
I think it will be the kukate.
Huh?
凤梨饼
Really?
I prefer 麻花.
Huh? Hi! What's your most favorite CNY snacks?
Crab stick.
Aiyoo! It's so much fried food. Don't you want something refreshing?
Magnum Mini.
Wow, why so mini one?
Can snack anytime during CNY with less guilt.
The quality of the ice cream is better than your normal, cheaper ice cream. And the chocolate they use inside Magnum is also really good.
They have 5 flavors and 6 pieces in a box. Now you can get a chance to win 1 Magnum Prosperity Bowl set if you purchase any 2 Magnum Mini nationwide. Stay tuned!